Hi Aquarius, let's see what messages are coming out for you right now here. Messages that you need to hear. Let's see. Aquarius, please. Okay. All right. Oh, we have two. Didn't see the second one. Okay, so we have Brown Bear Spirit, take time out. And then we have Spider Spirit, make your dreams real. Interesting to have those two together. Take time out, make your dreams real. Maybe there's some sort of time out that you need to take in order to realize what your dreams are. Like maybe doing some meditation, some, manifesting, taking the time out to like really focus on what it is that you want to do. Maybe making, or maybe taking that time out will create the peaceful environment that you need, like where it's not stressful. You know how like sometimes when you're stressed out, like you can't think, you can't figure out the way ahead because you're just too stressed, or you're just thinking about it too much or whatever, and you just can't figure it out. Maybe this is telling you to take some time out, and then as you take that time out, as you are feeling that peace and that unstressfulness, making your dreams real will come to you. Like how to do that, like what it is that you need to do in order to do that, or to even figure out what your dreams are. Maybe you've just been like going along with the rat race, like on the hamster wheel, and you're like, I don't even know what my dreams are because I've just been trying to survive. So, maybe taking time out to be like, oh, wait, maybe my dreams are important. Yeah. Oh, interesting. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so this is what we have. We have the Two of Cups. We have the Five of Cups. The Queen of Pentacles. And underlying energy underneath the deck, we have the Four of Cups. Okay, so this is totally going along with everything that I was saying. So I love how it does that. Okay, so Two of Cups here, Five of Cups, Queen of Pentacles. We have the Two of Cups. All right, this is like I know traditionally, it's like your soulmate and, things like that, and love and, Two of Cups, love, but I feel like it's more like with the Two of Cups, you need the self-love. This is you having a love affair with yourself, because with this taking time out, that is focusing on yourself. It's the self-care. I feel like this is the self-care aspect of this reading, of what you need to do here. Because with this Five of Cups here, I feel like you are just like kind of in despair, like you think that life is just going to be the way it is. It's not going to ever change. Like, I feel like with this Four of Cups underneath here, I feel like you're super bored with your life. And you're like, ugh, this is a drag. And, and you're kind of just like, ugh, maybe regretting a little bit of the decisions that you've made in the past. I feel like you're kind of down on yourself right now. But with the Queen of Pentacles here at the end, this is nurturing goodness, love. This is nurturing, just like caring for yourself. And with the Pentacles, like with the make your dreams real, it could be something where like this is taking some time out to figure out what it is you want to do, like on your career path, where you are going to be nurturing yourself or nurturing what you want, rather than being in a job or a career that is like sucking the life out of you. Like maybe that's what this is. Like it just looks like you aren't having a good time right now, and you aren't taking care of yourself. And I feel like it's because you're kind of bored. You're bored with what you're doing, or it's just like, I don't know, like the rat race is just getting to you. Definitely take some time out here. take some time out in order to nurture yourself and give yourself that self-care love here, you know, like learn how to like really love yourself and love your life. And I feel like when you do that, when you just like take the time out, maybe it's just like, you know, like 10 minutes at night before you go to bed, you know, just like maybe some meditation, or, you know, there are some really good apps, you know, for like meditating apps, like 5 to 10 minutes. And, you know, it's like, oh, okay. You know, my best ideas come when that happens. And it totally like relaxes you and stuff too. So, you know, which will take care of all the stress that you're feeling so that things actually can come to your mind, right? Yeah, so, okay, so that is what I have for you. I hope that that helps a little bit. I hope that you aren't so stressed out after this, or you take the steps to unstress yourself. And until next time, lots of love to you.